So yan, no? Ito yung robotics. So,
Welcome! Philippine National Skills. Collaborative robot. First in Manila Skills.
yes.
Scholarship. Enroll now.
Yes. Wala na, hindi na pwede yung mga kung ang pinag-uusapan robotics, AI, hindi pwedeng hilot pa rin, ano? Oh, yan na, ayan na. Ayan na po.
Naman for welding.
For welding. Ito yung pangkape.
Pagkapi magluto.
Kaya pare, yan yung mga IT software, web technology, graphic design, cyber security. Yun, nandun yung bakery. Doon tayo. Ayan, empowering the future, advancing skills for tomorrow. Internet of Things. Ayan. So, from welding technology, plumbing and heating, carpentry, and cabinet making. Yan po. Setting, mga traditional skills. Yan. Welding technology. 16 regions. Automotive technology. Refrigeration.